Today I want to show you how to make an elderflower cordial or an elderflower syrup, the Swedish and the easy way. So come along as we pick some more of those flowers. So we're here at the tree and should have brought a scissor, but I forgot it, and so we just gotta pick them. Oh, it's a bit of a wood here, bit of the jungle. Oh, we do the best out of it. So I didn't even know we had those on our property, but as we took down some tree, all of a sudden, actually yesterday, I found those. So I was very happy to see that. So I think this will be enough for our needs. Okay, let's get down. We've collected all the flowers that we need, and now the first step is to drench them just into a bucket of water. We've got about 120 flowers that we will need, but of course that depends on how much cordial you want to make. And really, if you got a big flower, elderflower bush, 120 flowers is not so much. So just remove the leaves, we don't want those. And just why we drench them is because we want all the insects to come up to the surface and get away, because I prefer drinking the cordial without the insects. I know if it's a bit trendy right now to eat some, but I don't want them, so I want to get rid of them. Now I've drenched the elderflowers for about 30 minutes and I removed most of the bugs, I hope. But now I really do need some expert help, so I have to call for my wife. Maya! Maya!
Hello, this is an old family recipe and I'm gonna write all the measurements below for one batch. Linus and I are actually gonna make 2 batches today because we do really like this cordial. So for one batch you're gonna need 60 elderflower blossoms, 6 lemons, 4 kilos of sugar, 3 liters boiling water. Oh, thank you. 160 grams of citric acid powder and some sodium benzoate. And we're gonna start with the boiling water. So 3 liters for one batch, we have 6 liters here. And in this water we're gonna pour all the sugar. Now we're gonna take the citric acid powder and measure out. And we're gonna pour this straight into the water. Now we're going to take our elderflowers and put 60 flowers in each 10-liter buckets. And then we're going to take 6 lemons per bucket and slice them in thin slices and just put them on top of the flowers. And then we're going to pour our sugar liquid straight over the lemons and the flowers. Now we're just going to put on some lids or ceramic wrap, or you can use whatever you have, and then you have to wait for 5 days. And we're back. It's a few days later and it's time to check what this looks like. I'm gonna put the strainer cloth on here. And then I'm gonna pour the cordial here, in here to strain away all the flowers and lemons. Smells good. And we're just gonna let it sit here for a few minutes to make sure that all the liquid runs down. It's been a few minutes and the first one is finished. So I'm just gonna empty out the leftover lemons and flowers. And remember that you can keep the lemons to make a great citrus marmalade if you want to. So in this first pot we got 5.5 liters. So that's great. And we're gonna pour the second bucket in here. So we have 5 liters in here, and I think we're reaching 6 liters in this one. So that's 11 liters of cordial, and this is concentrate. So remember that this you will only use a very small amount, and then maybe one part of this and 6-7 parts of water. And my favorite way to drink this is with soda streamed water. That tastes really great. So that is a great recommendation. Now I'm gonna take some sodium benzoate and put into a glass of water. Now I just have to stir so that it will dissolve as much as possible. Now it's dissolved, let's pour this into our pots. And now to the last part, we just have to put this cordial into cleansed bottles. So I've sterilized these in the washing machine and in the dishwasher. I've sterilized these in the dishwasher and then I'm gonna use this and something to pour with. Now I only need a lid and a label, and this will store for a very long time in cold storage. So good luck with your own cordial, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, then like and subscribe, maybe leave a comment, and you will get more of this content.